Start with the 58th example. So in this example, it is said that the blocks shown in figure have equal masses. So the mass of A and B are equal. The surface of A is smooth. Okay. So on which A is moving, that surface is smooth. While B onward, the surface is rough, which is having a friction of 0.1 coefficient friction. A is moving at a speed of 10 meter per second towards B, which is kept at rest. So we need to find the distance traveled by B in the two cases. First, if collision is elastic. So as we know that when two bodies, identical bodies of same masses, they collide or they undergo elastic collision, so after collision their velocities get exchanged. So A will acquire velocity of B, which is 0, and the block B will acquire velocity of A, which is 10 meter per second. But as the surface of B is rough, so after traveling certain distance, the B will comes out to rest. We need to find the distance traveled by B, that is the stopping distance. As the B is moving on a rough track, so the frictional force will continue act on it, and frictional force is given by mu into normal reaction. As block B is placing the surface with its weight mg, so a reaction will be mu and force will be mu mg. So acceleration due to this frictional force will be force upon mass. So mu mg upon m, so this m and this m get cancelled. So acceleration that comes out to be 0.1 into 10, so that comes out to be 1 meter per second square. So it means the block is deaccelerating with 1 meter per second square. Now as we know very well, the stopping distance is given by the formula u square upon 2a. So it will be the square of 10 upon 2 into 1. So it will be 100 upon 2. So the stopping distance comes out to be 50 meter. So block B will stop after traveling 50 meter further. Now let's take the next page. For the second case, it is said that if the collision is perfectly inelastic, as the collision is perfectly inelastic, then we know that for perfectly inelastic collision, the blocks get stick together and they will move with some common velocity. So by conservation of momentum, let's find the common velocity. So total momentum of the system final must be equal to the total momentum of the system initial. So it will be 2m into their common velocity is equal to m into initial velocity of A plus momentum of B is 0 because B is at rest initially. So after collision they are going with a velocity of 5 meter per second. So what would be the stopping distance? As there is no friction for A, or acceleration is again frictional force upon mass, and frictional force is now mu 2 mg, and again mass is 2m. So this 2m get cancelled, so it comes out to be mu g only, same, that is 1 meter per second square. Finally the blocks has to be come to rest. So the stopping distance is nothing but u square upon 2a. So their velocity is 5 meter per second the square, 2 into 1, so that would be 25 upon 2, that comes out to be 12.5 meter. So that is the stopping distance. Thank you.